Hey guys, enter the stars. And Cronus is time. And time is associated with the Roman deity Saturn. And in the movie Superman from 1978, which 8 represents time as well, we see Superman turn back time by flying around planet Earth in the form of the rings of Saturn to turn back time and to reverse the influence of time on the events that had happened.
One thing I do know, son, and that is you are here for a reason.
All those things I can do, all those powers, and I couldn't even save him.
Now, we've talked a lot about El, and El being the gods, the fallen angels, and all of the characters in Superman with their name ending in El. And Superman, in fact, being from the sun, and in fact, being probably a incarnation of the fallen angel, so that when this comes about on our earth, we will be more accepting of these superpowers. Now, we see the Hoover Dam as well in the Superman movie, and we have a video that actually shows the Hoover Dam and all of the time references incorporated within it. And we have 3 videos that look at the Hoover Dam and time, and we actually see a crack in Hoover Dam in this video. And then in the movie Edge of Tomorrow, Tom Cruise looks for time at Hoover Dam. And then, of course, this video where a time device is inserted into Hoover Dam in 1988, the 8s representing the serpent and time. Take a look at these 3 videos, and it will clarify what was alluded to in the 1978 film Superman.